Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Pak Preston Tensong ubah kemiru ketenat PWD Roads. Haba jubab zero hour notice kabelawan radu MLA kemokayau ubah nujor kisua. Ula pentep agak darbar senrai bagi lapan kere agajing terwa bencenapan bahagi benta jong surok nartiang jong duit barato kabala seni ubah. Ula ong bagi sorkar kam syamla syong klikti dari kadang pen kere agi kam banwat gilenti banweng ya kajing kabala mat bagi patba. Ubah Preston Tensong ulang bagani kesurok kadang biang bahal ano tang kumbah nyo kilometer kabla seniau kata nado katsau kilometer hado arpuwe kilometer kata nado taknyang syashiliang mentang kumta ketenat konsesium kiaban maramad igi benta jangan kesurok hadian balakut kaliur.
And sir, presently, I would just like to bring to the notice of this house, as if at present the road has been split into three parts. Why I'm saying, sir? Why I'm saying this, sir? Because the first portion of the road, that is 1 kilometer up to 13 kilometer, the road has already been sanctioned under RRF 28, and it has already been completed also, sir. And from 20.4 up to 35.4 kilometer, the road has already been sanctioned under CRF way back in the year 2019, and the road has already been completed. So what is left is the length from 13 to 20.4 kilometers. This is the only portion, around 7.4 kilometers left, which is yet to be constructed or which is yet to be sanctioned. So this particular road, as of now, sir, it is in such a pathetic condition that people who travel via this road, they tend to avoid this portion and take a longer route in order to avoid this bad condition of the road. So it's an eyesore for me, it's an eyesore for the public. So that's why, sir, I stand here to request upon our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, in charge PWD, to kindly give a special sanction for this particular stretch of road, sir. Only 7.4 kilometers, which is yet to be sanctioned. So, sir, I have deep faith in our Honorable Deputy CM, and I hope, sir, while replying, I hope to get a positive response, and also, sir, to get the sanction as soon as possible, because it is such a nice eyesore for this particular 7.4 kilometer stretch of road, sir.
I appreciate the concern expressed by the Honourable MLA from Mokayao, and I would like to inform the member that the government is not sitting idle but are working on it to find out the best solution to the problem faced by the people of Mokayao area, especially a portion of the road Nartiang Jongluit Baratu, portion 14 to 21 kilometers, which is in very bad condition. The department is initiating a proposal for improvement, strengthening this stretch during the financial year 24-25. So, sir, with this few clarification, I hope the honourable member will satisfy the information that I've shared and the concern of the government.